Hey, one and all, welcome back. Let's do some phonics. We are going to take a look at the long A vowel sound. Let's look at the different ways that this can appear in words. So we are going to be looking at the letters carefully that would make the long A vowel sound. The long A vowel sound is where the vowel calls its own name. A, A, A. Let's take a look now. Let's first call the word of the object, then sound out the word to see which letter or letters would make the sound. Apron, apron, apron. A, pr, pr. On, a, pr, on. Apron. The A makes the long A sound. A. A all by itself. A standing alone. A. Train, train, train. T, r, tr, a. N, tr, a. N. The A and I together makes the sound. The A make the sound, the I stays silent, but they work together as a consonant digraph. A. Which two letters? A and I. Survey, survey, survey. S, v, A. S, v, A. Survey. Which letters make the sound? E and Y together. We can hear A, A. The E and Y together makes the long A sound. A, A. However, in some words, E and Y together can say E. So always be careful. Clay, clay, clay. K, l, A, k, l, A. Clay. The A and Y together make the sound. The A makes the sound, the Y stays silent. They work together as a consonant digraph. A, A and Y. Plate, plate, plate. L, eight. Yeah, the end silent. It gives power to the A to call its own name. A. Pl, eight. Plate. Which letters make the sound? A and E. At the end, something in between. We have a consonant in between and E at the end. A, A, A. So in some words, it can be a magic E or a silent E. Wait, wait. wait. W, eight. The GH is silent. W, eight. Wait. Or we can put all three together because we know GH in words, especially when it comes after vowels, it's silent. So, eight. We can put all four together and say EIGH says A. A. Or we can put the EI together. That makes the sound A. And the G and H silent. W. Eight. Wait. All right. So now we can see the different ways that the long A vowel sound A can be represented in words. We can have A all by itself, making the word A as in apron. We can have A and I together as in train, where we hear the A sound in the middle. We can have E and Y together at the end of words mostly, where we can hear A. We can have A and Y together, mostly at the middle or at the end of words, saying A. We have a consonant in between, and E at the end, saying A. And then we can have EI saying A, or we can put it all together. EIGH makes the sound A. So I hope that this lesson did help you in some way to understand the different ways that long A can be represented in words. So you now can go and practice looking for these different looking for these different letters in words coming together to make the sound. Thank you so much for being here. It was good spending time with you reading. Until then, see you next time.